We are the Rocket Fishing Boys, and this is day 5 of the fishing challenge. The first triangle challenge, and it's the first big challenge.
Now we're going to see if we can catch some bait. Right now we're in Sandy Point Village, so I'll leave that.
Yeah, I'm broke now. So then, Store Bay, it have a lot of bait in the water. So we're going to try and see if they can catch some bait and do a little bit of fishing. They just need to catch one fish today. Last day of the challenge. Once they catch that one fish and cook it, they complete the 5-day challenge in Tobago.
And it's the trend over there.
Yeah, it's too far to show on the phone. So Nathan got through the net and catch a little bit of bait just to do a little bit of fishing. Birds diving.
Try not to get it up.
It's not enough. Yes, sir.
No, you
What the big one?
Look, something chasing them down.
right there.
Show here, Nathan.
I look some big ones coming.
Yeah, something chasing them.
Look at the rocks at that.
Yeah, through the sand.
Try a little further, so okay? Some more out.
They catch real plenty.
Right, make it count yourself, right?
Oh gosh, they're looking like big eyes. Where's red sardine?
There's red sardine.
Put
Show them in the bucket quick.
Oh
Put them in the bucket quick.
gosh. Take it to some back.
All them stick up.
Yeah, shake it. That's enough in the bucket and throw them back.
This let's stop. All them stick.
A big bush, eh?
Follow it up.
Yeah. Nice, eh? Look great. Kyle, first fish. Secure. High five, high five. Kyle, feed me today.
Nelson! Hey, come on, big bush, yeah?
I know, yeah, we will get him. Mommy will get him, I feel. Mommy fishing too. Kyle fishing. Kyle, bring the bowl with all the bait. No, don't worry, we gonna use it. Alright, so the fish. Kyle's caught a fish already. Nathan taking out bait from the net. And we now start a fish here in this spot. Janil all again. Janil on again. Janil on again.
Up.
And next one.
Where are you?
And next one.
May I come and talk to you?
Janil. High five, high five. Janil doubling up.
Mommy, as soon as we...
Adult. Mommy, the Kyle, remember we see when you're younger, boy? And
Yeah.
small pieces of wood and sand, some line mine. And now they got an old squad first.
Second go valley. So the you have a next one. Go valley. One in the
Nelson!
bucket.
Watch the rain coming now.
Rain. I can't catch a big crow. In the rain fall and bucket a drop. Can catch a nice crow here.
Nice one.
What you have a oh.
Ay, the fish tangle up na.
And next one. So we know rain now is up.
The rain bring the good luck up.
Yeah.
And there's the fish right here now.
Triple up and just throw it as far as you could.
Another one for Kyle. You had chisel on.
So this is the complete challenge 5.
Day 5 of the challenge.
Yeah.
So
Wait,
we caught some bonefish down from her.
I'm gonna make some bonefish babies.
We like to shout out Azaria for her 9th birthday, so happy birthday Azaria. So can you start it off? I'm gonna give her a space here.
Pull it up with the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, these pieces sliding.
Yeah. So it don't really matter if they feel it. It don't really have to be the best because you scrape out the meat afterwards. It's called bonefish because all the bone is
All this is bone.
have way too much bone
Right
on
here,
it.
head. Bone.
So you scrape the sides of your fish, not the next one. So you scrape it in the opposite direction of the bone. But you scrape the fillet in the opposite direction.
Nick. Here's your meat. And then you put it in there to make some noodles. Now this finished. Because all this is bone. Now it's not time to fillet.
Yeah, scrape the fillet in the opposite direction of the bones. It's not gonna be good.
Continue. Could be sashimi.
Like fish nuggets, fish cakes. So that's gonna season up the fish now. Some nice green seasoning. A little bit of black pepper. A bit some flour now. A bit of salt.
Make 10 balls and we're going to cook them now.
Make 10 patties. We just flatten them out now.
Making them small like sliders. I'll just show you.
Alright.
Water tumbler.
Yeah.
Yeah. Add it.
That's the easy finish, bro.
So this is the finished product.
I'll ketchup and thing on by eating it dry.
Yeah. How come? Mmm. That just like smoking.
Really?
Kinda. Like eating ramen. There. She's some ramen. I'm just one.
Hmm?
She's a
It is not smoking.
oh.
It is a good look.
Make a heart for mommy and daddy.